What does oil life mean? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, the oil life indicator on your vehicle, in theory, tells you how much time you have remaining until your oil needs to be changed. Every car is a little different, so it's hard to give a general answer to that question because some cars use an algorithm. Depending on how hot it is, how hard the vehicle is being driven, the amount of time, the amount of mileage, it may calculate how much time you have remaining. Other ones are strictly just based on a number of miles. Regardless, I think it's important for you to educate yourself, decide how often that you think your oil should be changed, and then monitor those number of miles yourself. The numbers on the car can be helpful, but sometimes they can be a little bit longer than what it should be. So in theory, that's how much life you have left on the oil. In reality, I encourage you to be a really good consumer and watch it yourself. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.